I'm going to show you how to use a clipping mask in Procreate. We are in the latest version of Procreate, which is 5, and it's December 2020. So for clipping masks, what's really cool about them is they allow you to add colors or textures on top of a layer, but it won't go outside of that layer. So this actually, I did use a clipping mask when I was creating this piece, but I'm going to show you how I use it. So I want to just put more texture on the flowers. So what I'm going to do is add a layer right on top of the layer that I want to edit. Then I'm going to click on this layer, double click, and select clipping mask. So you see this little arrow right here, that means that there is a clipping mask applied to these flowers or the layer underneath. Then let's get some kind of texture. Let's just go with this old beach texture. And we are going to select a color. You want the color to be slightly different than what you see on here, otherwise you won't see it. And I'm just gonna start, whoa. Sorry, see, that happened because I was not on the clipping mask layer. So make sure you're on the clipping mask layer. And then again, I'm gonna pick a darker orange color and come in here. And as you can see, it's just going on the flower and it's not going on the background, which is really cool. Another cool way that you can use these is maybe for little highlights. So that's not a really good texture. Let's get another texture. Maybe, let's do this clay texture. I'm going to come in here, little lighter color, and just lightly make it light right here like a highlight. This would be cool if you are painting or drawing pottery. This is a cool texture for that. But that's how you use a clipping mask. It's super, super easy and it's amazing because you don't have to worry about coloring within the lines.